Hey guys, getting the message your account has not been charged when trying to buy Robux or a Game Pass on Roblox Mobile? Don't worry, I will show you the fixes. So firstly guys, the thing you want to try is to restart the Roblox app. You can swipe it away and completely close it, then reopen it again. And then of course once again try to purchase. Sometimes it's just a temporary connection hiccup. Then also make sure you're on a stable Wi-Fi or cellular connection. Go to YouTube or other app to confirm your internet is working. Roblox payment systems need full access to confirm charges. Also, if you're on Android or iPhone, the payment goes through Google Play and Apple. Head over to your Play Store or App Store, tap your profile, payments and subscriptions, and check for any issues with your card, PayPal or balance. You might want to update those. And if you're still seeing the error, open your Roblox app, go to Settings, then Billing, or check your email for a purchase receipt. Also, you can check the roblox.com/transactions in a browser to confirm if the Robux were delivered or not. Also, if the transaction is pending, avoid tapping buy over and over. You might trigger multiple holds from your bank without any of them going through. Wait a few minutes and then try once more. If nothing works, the last resort is going to be contacting the support of Roblox. So for that, let us actually go to their page. So it's going to be roblox.com/support. And in here you can submit a ticket. Just firstly make sure that you're logged in with your account. As you can see, I am, because they won't understand who you are and which account you own. And that's pretty much it, guys. Hopefully these fixes will help you out and sort you out. Click the subscribe button if you like the video, subscribe, and also click the notification bell to not miss new uploads. Of course, we upload very frequently, and I'll see you very soon.